Hey guys, so today we're going to do an unboxing of the brand new MacBook Pro 13-inch with the touch bar. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Alright. So this is the 256 gigabyte version. And it's got the touch bar, like I said. So right off the bat, it should be a much smaller frame than the previous MacBooks. Oh wow. Let's see. Good packaging, like Apple always has. So you've got your Apple stickers and information like normal. Throw that to the side. You've got your big, large 61 watt power adapter and USB-C cable. Remember, this is the first laptop that Apple's made that has USB-C instead of its normal MagSafe connectors. Let's throw all that to the side and get to the actual computer itself. Like I said, right off the bat, the frame itself is a lot smaller, but the screen is going to be the same size as before. And we're opening it up, and it's going to actually go ahead and automatically start booting up. Let's see if you guys can see that. Hopefully you can. There it is, right off the bat, you can see the touch bar. Oh. I don't know if you could hear that, but it was speaking to me. This is the first MacBook, well, not the first MacBook, but the first MacBook Pro to have the second generation butterfly mechanism keys. It's actually going to be a lot louder than normal keys that we're used to on a MacBook Pro. I'll show you a comparison with my old 2014 MacBook Pro, but you can see right off the bat that the actual trackpad is way bigger than the 2014 MacBook Pro, and all of the keys are a whole lot bigger as well. They've also included speakers on the side, whereas before the 13-inch you couldn't actually see grills for the speaker. The speaker was just underneath the keyboard, and only the 15-inch MacBook Pro had actual speakers, or grills for the speakers, sorry. And this time around they've actually put grills for the speakers as well. This computer actually only has 4 different connectors. It's got 2 USB-C ports on the left side and 2 USB-C ports on the right side, as well as a headphone jack on the right side. And that's actually it. Now, one thing that I am disappointed about is this time around the screen is so thin that the Apple logo no longer lights up like it used to, which is kind of disappointing, but at the same time I can understand why they chose to do that. And I can go ahead and say this thing looks awesome, and the touch bar is, I was a little hesitant about it at first, but it looks really good. Let's go ahead and compare it size-wise. So this new MacBook Pro has a 3.1 gigahertz dual-core processor, 8 gigs RAM, 256 gigabyte SSD like I said, and has integrated Intel Iris Plus 650 graphics. Now the old MacBook Pro has a 2.6 gigahertz processor, also has 8 gigs of RAM, but only has 128 gigabytes SSD and has the first generation Intel Iris graphics. If you guys want to see this later, I'll probably make a full review of the new Touch Bar MacBook Pro as well. But for now, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and share with your friends. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.
You probably should have watched how close you're putting this.
Was I? Was it really close?
Some of them. I did.
That's okay.